Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to make a little video on some of the features such as the notch on the OnePlus 6. Big controversy over phones with notches. Apple came out with the iPhone 10 with a notch, and then there's been a few Android phones to follow after that, the OnePlus 6 being one of them. The good thing though about the OnePlus 6 is if we pop over to the display settings here, you can choose what apps are allowed to take full advantage of the full screen notch view. And if you go to the notch display, you can actually completely hide the notch area, which will use the OLED panels, turning off the pixels and stuff like that, to actually take that notch out of the display, so you can kind of see it there depending on the lighting conditions you're in. But it'll actually shrink the usable screen space down below the notch here, and then use your either side of it here kind of as your icon and notification display. So that is one of the nice things about the OnePlus and its Oxygen OS, is the ability to kind of hide the notch. If it's something that bothers you, you can most definitely hide it and get rid of it pretty easily, and you don't really lose any screen real estate because you're really just trimming it right along the bottom where your notification icons and your status icons would show up anyway. So that's one of the features of Oxygen OS that I really do like, is the ability to do that. And if you have an app that for some reason isn't working right because of the notch, like I said, you can go in there and turn that one specific app off so it doesn't take full advantage of the full screen, and it will cut it off so your app still looks right and the notch doesn't cut anything out of it. This has been Colin with Techout. I will be doing some more videos on the OnePlus 6 and on Oxygen OS on the OnePlus 6 as time goes on, and I find some more things that I like. And I will be doing a full review after about a week or two of usage. So make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at TechoutOfficial for some updates. And as always, have a great day.